Welcome to another of my videos where I work through and explain A-level physics multi-choice questions. If you want to try to answer this question yourself, pause the video now. If you got the answer C, well done. If you'd like to hear my explanation of how I found the answer, please continue watching. So a load of 50 newtons is suspended from a wire that has a cross-sectional area of 1 millimeter squared. The stress in the wire in pascals is between, so we're after an approximate answer. Let's just remind ourselves what 1 pascal is. 1 pascal is equal to 1 newton per meter squared. Well, we've got our load in newtons, but we've got our area in millimeters squared. The stress on a wire, or the tensile stress on a wire, is equal to the force or load divided by the cross-sectional area. Now, I'm just going to quickly go through and explain how we convert meters to millimeters squared. You may already know how to do this, but I'm going to go through it anyway. So let's just imagine I have a square that is 1 meter by 1 meter. That means it has an area of 1 meter squared. But each of those meter sides are 1,000 millimeters. That means its area is also 1 million millimeters squared, or 1 times 10 to the 6 millimeters squared. So 1 millimeter squared is 1 millionth of a meter squared. So 1 millimeter is 1 times 10 to the minus 6 meters squared. So I can put those numbers into the equation. Stress is the force or the load divided by the cross-sectional area. We said the load was 50 newtons. The cross-sectional area is 1 times 10 to the minus 6 meters. And we're going to get an answer of 5 times 10 to the 7 pascals or newtons per meter squared. Answer C. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please press the like button. All comments or suggestions will be very welcome below, and I hope you'll share this video and watch more of them in the series.